Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are you doing? It's been a minute since I did any video other than the mix that I dropped just I think a week ago. It has taken so long for me to come back and do any vlog, but we are back. We are basically just trying to test waters right now and see what we can do, and if we are indeed ready to get back to regular vlogging. But so far, everything else has been okay. I've been a little unwell, and then life has been beating me as fuck. But yeah, that's just what it is. It happens to all of us, isn't it? Yeah. So I want to talk about, there's something that I've been very passionate about ever since, I think from 2010s there. I have been a boxing fan on the low, because I didn't think there's even a community in Kenya that likes boxing. It's been very interesting of late to see, that people are talking about boxing, and the whole Wekamawe thing has just brought boxing into the picture. Although it's not like the legit boxing, but I like the like inroads that boxing is making right now in Kenya. So, of course, if you're a boxing fan, there's been a lot of amazing boxing fights. The most recent one was Shakur Stevenson and Teofimo Lopez. Before that there was also the grand one. There was Crawford and Canelo, which was live on Netflix. And even before that, there was also Anthony Joshua and a YouTube guy. Well, in my books, he doesn't qualify as a boxer, but well, he got onto the ring with the baddest man in boxing. Yeah, so there's been a lot of that. I think I just want to talk about Lopez versus Shakur. People have been doubting Shakur the same way they've been doubting Crawford. It's very interesting because Crawford and Shakur are in the same camp, which means they actually have something special about boxing that we don't know, or rather that the rest of the boxing guys don't know. They deliver. They don't probably have the most exciting boxing, but they deliver. What people consider most exciting boxing is the whole hit and get hit, but these guys are doing hit and don't get hit. So it's almost like it's a jazzy level of boxing. I like it, and this is why I fell in love with the Mayweather's boxing style in the first place. So Shakur is a mini Mayweather in my eyes, and he's obviously going to carry the torch from here onwards. Just like any other sport, if you watch, and I'm on the road. If you watch boxing if you watch like international boxing, and then you watch Kenyan boxing, you realize we still have a long way to go. But it doesn't mean that we cannot do it. I pray and I hope that even when you guys are doing the Wekamawe guys, you give a shot to the real boxing guys to also showcase. Because I know they're also very, very brilliant young guys. I've seen on TikTok, and I've seen on IG, guys who are doing proper boxing. I feel like Kenyans have ability. Kenyans are smart, Kenyans are hardworking, and that's exactly what boxing needs. If I was younger, bruv, I probably would have gotten into boxing. Anyway, I'm going to go onto the road and we'll catch up with you in a few. Yeah?